Okay, folks, let's do a review of our trade of Higher One Holdings. We went long of this stock, and this is a perfect example of the types of stocks that I like to trade. It's truly our bread and butter. What we do each week is that we run screens of the stocks that we like, and they have to have certain characteristics. One is the fact that they're oversold on the RSI, their price action is beginning to firm up, and then we begin to watch. And you could see that Higher One Holdings was in a brutal downtrend. And when it was added to our watch list, it was right about here. And I told members, do not touch this stock. Wait for it to show us that it is done bottoming out because there is no historic support. We were taking a look at the weekly and monthly charts. There is no historic support. We need the markets to tell us when there are sellers below. We're not geniuses. Just because we label ourselves contrarians doesn't make us smarter than anybody else. I wish it did make me that. I'm not. I need the markets to tell me what direction the stock is going to go. Sure enough, we saw in early September a key reversal. And this bottoming tail here was a clear sign that we had buyers below. We allowed the stock to rally and then to pull back. And what I wait for is an undercut double bottom, meaning many times in a typical stock that's just doing a healthy pullback, it'll pull back, it'll hold prior support, or a real healthy stock will put in a higher low and then take off, setting up a W pattern. With stocks that are extremely hated, what they'll do is they'll undercut the prior low because speculators like me know that there are guys back here that bought the stock, they put a stop loss order in because we could see it. We see those stops. And we'll try to take out those stops, buy it on the cheap, which is what we did. We bought it on the cheap and we rode the stock higher. And I booked profits right here, this first down candlestick day, and we moved to the sidelines. I still like Higher One Holdings. You may see me revisit this stock once again in the future because it has a huge short interest relative to the average daily volume. So if I do trade this stock again in the future, I will be sending out trade alerts to members. You need to be a member to get those, and I will be doing future commentary on the stock as well. I still like Higher One Holdings. I like the pullback. I like the consolidation and the attempted rally. I do not like the topping tail seen today. So we may have a little bit more of a consolidation here, which is fine. I don't like the steep slope of the 50-day moving average. I'd like for that to level off some. Then we may look to get back involved with it. I went over this stock in detail in the week ahead commentary with members, and we took a look at the weekly chart, which is a concern or was a concern, but we'll see how the stock consolidates. It may not be a concern in the near future. Again, I will be sending out trade alerts to members. If you have any questions, shoot me an email, robert@contrariantrader.com.